Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn something called maximum solar energy utilization control system. And this is a system which takes in three sources of power, which is solar energy, this being the solar energy, this being the grid energy, and this is the generator as being the backup line. And we have our load out of the system. These systems, it takes in solar energy during the day, that to be the main source of power during the day, supplying the load. But during the night hours, in the evening, in short, when there is no power from the solar anymore, it cuts off automatically and powers the system using the grid energy. Hence, we have some slight, or let's say, it helps us reduce the cost of power, demand, or electricity bill, blackouts due to electrical, maybe KPLC energy cutoff, some maintenance. So it helps us with the source of power from the solar energy during the day, supplying our load, lowering the cost. That's all. During the night, we have our grid line. We supply the system here using the grid line. And during the night, most of the people are asleep or they just rest. So a little power is used to power system, since we have no more work during the night. You just relax. So maybe TV, maybe lighting points, just a small amount of energy required during the night. Whenever the grid line fails during the night, and obvious we don't have the solar energy during the night, so we have a backup system in our generator line, which will automatically picks whenever the grid line fails during the night. And when the generator picks, it automatically picks, cutting off some energy from the backup, since solar during the night we use it as a backup, but the day is the main source of power. So during the night, this is our backup, but the day it's our main source, and this is the main source of the night. But if it cuts off, there are some seconds before the generator picks, and that's the moment our backup runs for some time before the generator picks. Or when the fuel or generator mechanical problems comes in, it will turn back to our backup as the main source, to help us during the night, so we don't expect a blackout here. When the generator is still running and the power comes back, it will automatically stop the generator and runs with the main source from the power. But when it turns, maybe in the morning when we have solar, the backup and the main power from the night and the generator will stop and takes the solar energy to be the main source of power. Yeah, we have some button. You can see some push buttons here. This push button is a manual of a certain alarm there. You can see another alarm there. That alarm alerts when there is a generator failure and we have no grid power during the night. So that moment we'll be using our backup here, backup during the night, and there is no generator or main grid line. So we'll have some notifications from the alarm. This is the alarm. This is the alarm. The alarm will be automatically turned off by the generator supply or the main power supply, or if it will turn into the morning hours when we have solar energy, the solar energy will cut off automatically and we'll have no notification anymore, because we have a main source already. We've got a main source. But if it's maybe during the night hours where there is no source of generator, since maybe fuel or mechanical problem and there is a blackout from emergency KPLC, we'll get main source from the backup, but we'll turn off this thing manually. will turn off manually. And here we go to the indicators. You can see some indicators there. These are the 3-phase indicators, but the system can also be used in a single phase. You have no problem. These now are the solar indicators, these 3 of them. The next one, this one, are from the grid line, and the last are for the generator line. And we have another indicators apart from that. These indicators, this green indicator shows that you are on the solar energy during the day. In the evening, the yellow one will peak, showing us we are on the grid energy, and the red one finally being the generator line. And that's the most expensive thing, since you can see even the indicator is red, meaning it's costly. The generator is the most costly thing. These are the timers, and these are the timers. These are the relays, yeah, and these are the contactors. I think these operate. So we should first of all start with the solar calculations. This is our main source of power during the day. So we'll start with the solar calculation so that you can get the maximum demand of maybe the house or the demand you require to maintain the system. And that's our first thing we should do. Thank you for watching.